So let's continue building this project. First, I'm gonna create a global variable for the correct answer, because once we inject this into the array of possible answers, well, we need to save this a correct answer to make sure that the user, when he's selecting one of these answers, we validate that this is the correct answer. So we're gonna add this as the global variable, and this is going to be accessed in any part of the project. So copy this. Let me scroll to the bottom. Here on the for each, we're gonna write some code. So first we're gonna read the correct answer like this. And we're gonna use that variable. So correct answer is going to be equals. And if you take a look here on the API, you can see the value is correct answer. So this is an object. We're gonna use question because we have this inside the for each, and then correct answer. So now correct answer is going to have the answer that is correct. So next we're gonna inject the correct answer in the possible answers. So first we need to create a new variable. Let me add we're gonna use possible answers like this, and the possible answers are the incorrect answers. So we're gonna copy this and we're gonna add question, and it's going to be incorrect answers. Now we need to take this code. So let me cut this part, this place, and we're gonna add inject. Right here we're gonna add possible answers, and then we're gonna use the dot, and we're gonna use a splice. So we're gonna use basically the same code that I showed you in the last video, but instead of adding value 1, which was 4 in the last example, we're gonna add the correct answer right here. So now you can remove everything from here. And finally, we're gonna console log the possible answers. So let me add possible answers like this. And you can see we are also console logging the question. So let me save this. And you can see we have the possible answers. This is an array of 4 different positions, 0, 1, 2, 3. And let me expand the question. And you can see we have the question. Correct answer is going to be the first position. So let me reload this. Let me expand this again. So we have the correct answer is this one. So basically in this example, it's going to be a position 1. So the code is working fine. And we're making this a little harder for the visitor. So let me reload this again one more time. You can see we have the correct answer is 116. And this now is part of the number 2. So the code is working just fine. You can see we're using splice to inject an element. And we're using matfloor and matrandom to generate any number between 0 and 3. And dot splice is going to inject this inside the existing array. So now the correct answer is part of the possible answers. And we're saving the value correct answer right here. And this is a global variable, so we can access this in any part of the program. We're gonna generate more functions right here, and we're gonna validate if the answer is correct or not. But first, in the next video, we need to display this as possible answers. You can see here we have this HTML, and we're gonna see how this is done in the next video.